Alright, so we got some micro scrapping for you. Just the micro scrapping thing. So we got this little guy here. Everybody knows what them are from. They're from their fluorescent light things. And again, I'm working one-handed again. Alright, so just whatever you use to pull that up with. I use a X-Acto knife. And so usually these have 1, 2, 3, could be as much as 4 on them, maybe. So you get that little piece right there. Throw that in your micro scrapping bin, and then there sometimes there's a little piece across there. Right. You get that one down in there. Hang on. Hang on. Right. So much fun when you're doing it one-handed, because I can't get a camera mounted right in front of me. I've tried it. Y'all's on the road. Y'all's on the road all the time. So nobody's complained about, hey, I can't see, but I can't see. So you push that back out of the way so you don't poke yourself. You get that one guy right there. Boom. Boom. Take 3 times we got a camera in front of you. This one has the bridge all the way through it. Can you see the bridge? It hooks them both together. Most of the ones don't have the bridge across it, so. Yep. So you just throw that away in the old trash. I see I got it so tight in the vise I can't even get it out. How many more I got in this bin of jewels? That's just a bin of jewels. See, that one's already done. Done. That one. You just throw those in the bin to get done. The get done bin. And we get to it sometime or other. You gotta remember all these little connections from all these little connections. Sometimes they're magnetic. That's a magnet, and it's not. So that's shiny coated copper. Shiny coated copper. I got that many more to do. Again, this is a bin of stuff to take apart with everything else in it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about. Everybody's got one. Not sure if this came out of, what this came out of, but it'll fall off. See, there's 1, 2 in there. Nada. 3 in there. 4, 5, 6. That's the bin of you'll get to eventually someday, or it goes back into the ground, right? Except it's got a bunch of change in it, so yep. Even that little ballast thing, if you have that screw-in ballast still, it's got a couple tabs in it, but this is considered the small stuff. You know what I mean? Well, small. Most people throw that away because obviously they're too busy hauling dishwashers to the metal dishwashers to the scrapyard, because they can't take plastic ones because their scrapyard, so they say, doesn't take plastic. But it's funny, their scrapyard takes refrigerators though. But yeah, last time I checked, the last refrigerator I opened up, it was full of plastic. So again, depends on what idiot you listen to on this channel here. Depends on the idiots you listen to. They all have their spiel. Alright, so it looks like to me I pretty much sorted through there. And once I get that change out of there, I'm sure I'm going to find some more, because there's, you know, little bits of wire. We try to keep them from going in the junk pile, but sometimes there's so much of it that it gets shoved in there. So I spent one day picking all the bits out in my back, was singing another tune. All right, there you go. That's how you save all those bits right there. See all the ones that are the bits? That's from them. All right. Make sure you subscribe. And eventually this channel will be all subscribers based. And I won't be posting it up as I need your subscriber. Eventually it'll be all subscribers. It'll be a subscriber channel. It will.